So, dear students, today we are going to see additional exercise questions on chapter 1, India size and location. First question, geographical extent of India is, what is the value? 3.18 million square kilometer, 3.28 million square kilometer, 3.28 lakh square kilometer, 3.18 lakh square kilometer. Think it over and keep ready with the answer. Are you ready? The correct answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Yes, it is correct. Next question is, share of India's geographical area to world geographical area is, what is that percent? 3.24%, 1.4%, 2.4%, 2.24%. The correct answer is C, 2.4%. Next question. Indira Point, Indian Union's southernmost point, was submerged by tsunami that happened during the year. Which year that tsunami happened? 2014, 2004, 2008, 2012. What is the correct answer? And the answer is 2004. In that year, tsunami happened that submerged Indira Point in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next question is, India's rank in the world in terms of geographical area is. What is India's rank in terms of geographical area? The correct answer is 7. Yes. Next question is, length of land boundary of India is 15,100 km, 15,200 km, 15,221 km, 15,321 km. The correct answer is 15,200 kilometers. Next question is, length of coastline of Indian mainland along with islands is 7,516.16 km, 7616.16 km, 7617.17 km, 7687.87 km. And the correct answer is 7516.16 km. Next question is, after which of the following latitude India began to taper southwards into the Indian Ocean? Whether it is 28 degree eastern longitude, 22 degree eastern longitude, 22 degree northern latitude, or 28 degree northern latitude. Both the eastern longitudes are entirely wrong, because India begins to taper southwards. Southwards means after a certain point of certain latitudes only India begins to taper southwards. So the correct answer is 22 degree northern latitude. Next question is, longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India is approximately. We have already learned the lesson that it is approximately 30 degree. Next question is, longitude of Delhi and Kolkata is 77.2 degree eastern longitude and 88.2 degree eastern longitude respectively. If the local time in Kolkata is 2 a.m., what will be the local time of Delhi? First, you have to calculate the difference between the longitude of these two places. It will work out to be 88 minus 77, approximately 11 degree. One longitude is equal to 4 minutes. 11 degree of longitude will be equal to 11 into 4, 44 minutes. So, if 44 minutes difference means, if time in Kolkata is 2 a.m. means Delhi's time is 44 minutes later, is behind Kolkata's time. That is 1 hour 16 minutes a.m. 1:16 a.m. is the correct answer. What is the longitude of Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh based on which highest is calculated? Is the correct answer is 82 degree 30 minutes eastern longitude. Difference in day and night is lesser in Kanyakumari than in Srinagar. Why? Kanyakumari is closer to Tropic of Cancer than Srinagar. No, it is entirely wrong answer. Kanyakumari is closer to Tropic of Capricorn. No, Tropic of Capricorn is an imaginary line in the southern hemisphere at 20 to 23 degree 30 minutes. Kanyakumari is closer to equator. This is the correct answer. Kanyakumari is closer to Indian Ocean. That is logically correct, but it is not the right answer. When a place is located closer to equator, the diurnal variations is very minimum. Day and night is lesser when a place is closer to equator. So correct answer is C. When was the Suez Canal opened? The correct answer is 1869. All other threes are wrong. Next question is, which of the following is the correct descending order in terms of area? The correct descending order of countries in terms of area is first biggest country is Russia, followed by Canada, and then by USA. That is followed by China and Brazil. So D is the correct answer. China, Canada, USA, China, and Brazil. Next question is, which is the oldest route from India to neighboring countries? Whether it is land route or sea route, both land and sea route, or air route. Air route is of recent origin, so it should not be the right answer. Sea route was discovered in the year 1498 by Vasco da Gama. So even before that, 1498, there was cultural exchanges between neighboring countries, especially from Central Asian countries, Middle East countries, through land route, especially Khyber Pass and Polan Pass located now in Pakistan. So land is the oldest route. So A is the correct answer. Which of the following is the contribution of India to the world? So India has contributed through numerical system, Indian numerical system. That is the correct answer. Other systems are not the contribution of our country. Next question is, tomb and minarets in India are influenced by which culture? Greek culture, Persian culture, Roman culture, British culture. Persian culture is the correct answer. Persia means Iran. Persian culture is the correct answer. Next question is, number of states and union territories in India now is, the correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. Correct answer is D. Which of the following state doesn't have border with China? Whether it is Sikkim, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. Sikkim shares border with China. Uttarakhand shares border with China. Arunachal Pradesh also shares border with China. The only state that doesn't have border with China is West Bengal. The correct answer is B. Next question is, which of the following state doesn't share border with Nepal? Whether it is Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, or Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh shares border with Nepal from southern side. Uttarakhand from western side, it shares border with Nepal. West Bengal state also share border with Nepal in a smaller boundary in the north of West Bengal. Himachal Pradesh is the only state that doesn't share border with Nepal among these 4 options. So the correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following reduces the distance of travel from Europe to India? Panama Canal, it is located between North America and South America. It reduces the distance between Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean. So it is not the correct answer. Indira Gandhi Canal, it is located in Rajasthan desert. It is not the correct answer. Avalappula Canal, it is located in Kerala. It is also not the correct answer. Suez Canal, it is located between Egypt and Saudi Arabian Peninsula. That exactly reduces the distance between Europe and India if one chose to travel through sea route. So D is the correct answer, Suez Canal. Next question is, which of the following affects day and night duration? Whether it's a latitudinal extent, longitudinal extent, both of these or none of this. Longitudinal code of a place decides the time of that place, not the day and night duration. But latitude of a place decides determine the day and night duration of that place. If that place is closer to equator, day and night difference is less. If one move further away from equator, day and night difference is more. So A is the correct answer. Which of the following country is the smallest neighbor of India? Nepal, Maldives, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, Nepal, considerably a large countries. Maldives and Bhutan, among these two countries, Maldives is the smallest country. Bhutan is bigger than Maldives. So Maldives is the correct answer. If you want to learn more questions, more exercises, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.